Understanding Medical Check, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, medical check. This term is commonly used in healthcare and everyday conversations. We'll break it down, explain its meaning, and show how it's used in different contexts. Let's get started. Medical check refers to a routine examination conducted by a healthcare professional to assess a person's general health status. It's often synonymous with terms like health checkup or medical examination. This process includes various tests and assessments to ensure that you are in good health or to identify any potential health issues early. During a medical check, several things might happen. Physical examination. The doctor checks your body for signs of any conditions. Medical history review. Discussing your personal and family health history. Tests. These may include blood tests, urine tests, X-rays, and more, depending on your age, gender, and health condition. Medical checks are crucial for preventing diseases and maintaining good health. They help in early detection of illnesses, monitoring existing health conditions, updating necessary vaccinations, discussing lifestyle changes for better health. The frequency of medical checks depends on various factors. Age. Older adults may need more frequent checks. Health history. Those with chronic conditions may require regular monitoring. Lifestyle factors. Smokers, or those with a high-risk lifestyle, might need more frequent checks. That's all about medical checks. Remember, regular medical checks are a key part of maintaining good health. They help in early detection and management of health issues. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the importance of medical checks. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.